Good day and happy Thursday. And this week for our Did You Know, we are looking at Zapier. We're going to connect our Tidycal account so that when someone submits a new booking, they either update their record in the CRM or create a new one. So let's get automating. First, you will need to log in to Zapier or create an account. Next, we want to make sure that we have the apps already connected. Normally, the easiest way to do that is to click on Apps, and then in the top right-hand corner, Add Connection. You can then search for the app in here and follow the instructions on the screen. Once you've done that, we then need to click on the top left-hand corner on Create Zap. The trigger is going to be a new Tidycal booking. So we have Tidycal. Choose the event. So we want it when there's a new booking. Continue, connected to our account. And then we're going to click on Test Trigger. We need to do this so that we have data coming in so that we can then set up the action. So click on Test Trigger. So now we have some test data to play with. We click Continue with Selected Record. So what do we want to happen next? For this, we're using Airtable. Now we want to update a record if it already exists in Airtable, but we want to create one if it doesn't. So the first step we're going to do in the event is find record. Here. Continue. We've got Stebbington's Airtable there. We can click Continue. So we've got the base on which table, so where we want Zapier to look. Then the search by field. Now you need to use something unique, so names don't always work. What is a really good one is emails. So we can select email. Then the search value is going to be the email that has been captured from the Tidycal booking. There we have it. Contact email. Add that in. And we're looking for an exact match. Yes, we are. So that's going to find the record based on that. So that's fine. So then we scroll down here and we then have this lovely create an Airtable record if this doesn't exist. Yes, click. And then here we can add in the relevant information that we would like in the record that has come from the booking in Tidycal. So we have the name. Now we could also, we would need to format this, but not today. As there's a lot there, sometimes it's easier to use the search function. Company, there it is. Answer, the email. We can add in more into the columns, but the only one I'm going to worry about now is the status that I want it to go to call meeting booked. And then we can test. So we scroll the way down, continue. So that if there's no record there, that's fine. That will create one. But what happens if there is already a record that is found in Airtable? We need to update it. So click on Add a Step. Going to be Airtable again, and this time it's update record. Continue. It will be the base and the table that's required, and then the ID. Now we don't need a search step because we've already done the search step. So we click on Custom, second step, and there's the ID. So we just select that. There we are. Now we can add in the detail again to these columns, but all I really want to do is change that status call meeting booked. There we go. We can press continue and test step, which it has, because we can see here, there's testing test a company, and there is call meeting booked. So we can click publish, and then give your Zap a name. This is just an example of how you could use Zapier. The possibilities are endless with automation. Thank you for watching and have a great day.